Yo, what up, guys? Looking over one of the trades I took earlier. It was the only loss I took of the day, and it honestly wasn't as good of a setup as I thought it was at the time. And I'm just gonna be going over why that is. The two main areas where I didn't look as much as I should have was one, price action, and two, the overall market. Right, I was a little too fixated on SPX alone, not looking at the Qs and SPY. So my thought process going into the trade was we have this sort of a setup. We have extremely large negative gamma node, some strong, some decently strong gamma above, but very weak below. So I was looking to come into here and get a pretty strong reversal to the downside. Um, Earlier in the day, we actually came in, tapped 6820, and had a very strong reversal. We came in again. This is one of the bigger mistakes I made on this play. So it's not always exact. There is a wiggle room on the strike price or the spot of the king node or whatever node you're focused on and where the actual zone is. So we came in here at 6818, tap reversal, come back up, tap slight reversal. To me, I was really looking to get in at 6820. So I saw this somewhat of a weak reversal, to be honest. Like given the strong purple node, the weak nodes to the downside, I thought we could have had a stronger move than that. I should have recognized that this is the resistance. This is the gamma exposure levels, but I didn't. Um, so we already have the one touch on this level. We come in two touch, three touch rejection, and this is where I enter on a fourth touch. Oh, and this is because I didn't respect this as being part of this node. So that alone is one thing that I need to look out for in the future. The second thing, yeah, this looks okay. This does look good on the SPX chart, but when you look at it at the same time as the Qs and SPY, it doesn't look as pretty. Like you look at SPY, where is the downside? There's no downside on SPY. Like if I'm looking at this SPY chart, I'm playing a reversal off this. I'm playing longs on here. So why would I play shorts off SPX? There's zero confluence, right? We came in here. I could have entered slightly below 6820 and gotten lucky with a nice scalp here, right? But even that is it's not a strong setup. It's really not a strong setup because the confluence is not there, right? So we hit it twice, a slight reversal, and then we just break right through. SPY, there's literally no downside. There's literally no downside. Right, it's just gaining consolidation strength. This thing's not going anywhere anytime soon. Like from what we're looking at right here, we're seeing a little bit of strengthening here, um, but it's not enough. Like it's too much indecision, right? And that would also assume we're breaking right through here, right? So between price action and SPY alone, like it wasn't an actionable trade. It wasn't a trade I should have taken. Um, and then the Qs is same thing. There's just not enough bias. There's really no bias. It's just consolidation. Right, it's what 11:25. The move happened at 25. Like there just wasn't enough confirmation on the trade. There was more negativity towards the setup than anything. Like if I'm looking at this, like it's just not actionable. It really isn't. right? Like you look at Q, you look at SPY. So the two main points I got out of this trade was I need to focus more on overall market conditions, not just SPX. I need to be looking at the Qs and SPY, and also take more look at price action. Um, Understand that it's not perfect. Just because I see a 68.20 doesn't mean a 68.18 is not part of that zone. And just look for cleaner setups overall. Look for more confluence. Look at first or double touches, and those are the trades I take.